This is Will with EGM, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change parameters for the speed input source on an i550 Protec drive. Okay, so when changing the speed input source, it's important to remember some jumpers or wires may need to change. This will usually be indicated on the wiring diagrams we send with our systems. For changing to local speed input, you'll need to push the enter key and scroll up to group 2. Push the enter key again and scroll up or down to 201.xx, enter into that one, and enter into 201.01. You will change the parameter from 2, which is analog input 1, all the way down to 1, which is keypad. Push enter, press enter again, and hold it until it says p.saved. In order to change to remote speed input from local, press your enter key, scroll up to group 2, press enter again, scroll to 201.xx, enter into that, and once you get to 201.01, enter into it and change the parameter from 1 keypad to 2 analog input 1. Press your enter key, and then press your enter key again and hold it until it says p.saved.